Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you all and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all must be fine today, you all are doing well today. So I'm here to tell you about Amazon PPC agencies, the agencies in which we are advertising our products on Amazon. So first of all open Google Chrome and then search here Amazon PPC agencies. So here are some agencies, but we are here to check the top agencies of Amazon. So we shall see this top 13 Amazon PPC management agencies. Now here we have the top 13. The first one is socially lean, socially in, and the second one is disruptive advertising. The third one is Thrive Internet Marketing Agency. The fourth is Nonst Media. The fifth is Rocket Clicks. Then sixth one is Client Boost. Then Ignite Visibility. Number 8 is Blinkcraft. Number 9 is PBJ Marketing. Number 10 is Jumpfly. 11 is Adventure Media Group. The 12th one is PPC Strike, and the 13th is War Media. So these are the top agencies which are advertising our business or Amazon products, etc. So here are some details about these agencies. Like Socially In is a social media agency based in Birmingham. So this is located in Birmingham, and then there is also its biography and other management system discussed in this paragraph. It's also about disruptive advertisement. So in this paragraph there is also its bio and then its payment methods and etc, like their work. So these are all 13 agencies and their description, in which we shall know about these agencies and how they work, and which payment, how much we have to pay to these companies, and they will advertise our products. So I hope you should have enjoyed our video. Thank you so much. For the next video, Allah Hafiz.